Right, good afternoon, grade 12s. We are going to be looking at the topic of quality of performance. This falls under the topic business operations, which comes into a paper 1 type of question. So there are two major issues that are often asked with this kind of topic. The first one is being able to define and discuss the following concepts. And these concepts are as follows. There are 6 of them. You need to know what quality is, what quality control is, what quality assurance and quality management is, as well as quality performance and quality management systems. Other than being able to explain each of these concepts, you're often going to be asked to differentiate or compare the following concepts. So you'll need to know the difference between quality control and quality assurance. Remember, quality assurance, you will learn, is about an ongoing process, and quality control is at specific steps. You'll also need to be able to compare quality management versus quality performance. It's also important that you are able to explain and discuss the advantages and benefits of having a good quality management system in place. You'll also need to have to discuss how the quality of performance can contribute to the success or the failure of each business function. Now remember that there are 8 business functions, so you're going to have to discuss within the production function, how do you measure the quality? What can you do to improve the quality? Right. Once you've done that, you're going to have to outline the quality indicators for each of these business functions. So once we've dealt with all those concepts, been able to differentiate, been able to look at advantages, and then applying quality management systems to the production, to all the 8 business functions, we then move on to what we call TQM. TQM stands for Total Quality Management. Now, you will need to be able to define, and that's why I put the meaning here. You need to be able to give the meaning of a total quality management. Within TQM, we look at different elements, and there are 5 elements that are listed here that you need to learn and know them off by heart. So these elements are continuous skills development, total client or customer satisfaction, continuous improvement of processes and systems, adequate financing and capacity, and monitoring and evaluating of quality processes. So you'll be given a scenario and you'll have to identify which element is spoken of in that scenario. Once you've done that, you need to explain how businesses can apply the PDCA model or steps to improve the quality of its products. Now, please note that the PDCA falls within the continuous improvement of processes and systems, as well as the importance of quality circles. So you'll have to explain the importance or role of quality circles as part of this element. So this is quite an important element to know. You then also need to look at the impact, the positives and the negatives of TQM on a business and how it improves the success of a business. And finally, you're going to have to recommend or suggest ways in which TQM can reduce the cost of quality. Please note that when you're looking at the positives and the negatives of TQM, you're going to be looking at it on large businesses only, not on small businesses anymore. And that is really a quick overview of quality of performance.